Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into your Nerdwallet account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in browser, tap on the search bar and search for Nerdwallet login. In the search results, you will see the official Nerdwallet website. It will have the green N logo. Over here, you can directly see the logging into my account option, so tap on it. Now in this page, you can see sign in option at the top right corner. Tap on it. It will directly take you to the login page. From here, you can log into your account. Now in order to log in, you must have already created your account before. If you haven't created any Nerdwallet account, you can sign up for the account over here. After that, you can use those credentials over here to sign into your account. So tap on this email field, enter your registered email address, and enter your password for this account. After that, tap on the sign in option. And there you go, you've successfully logged into your Nerdwallet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.